Mano buddhir ahankar chittani naham nacha shrotra jivhai nacha ghrana netre nacha vyoma bhumir na tejo na vayu chidananda rupa shivoham shivoham. I am none of these five elements. I am none of the five sense organs and the motor organs. Then who am I? I am pure consciousness on which all the six neighbors are interacting, playing. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside, know your experiences, and bring the hands down. How are you, Stephen?
Good, good. That was very deep from a contemplation reflection perspective.
Yeah,
I enjoyed the metaphor aspect of the six neighbors and trying to tie it all together. The fact that I know I'm not those six neighbors, therefore I must be pure consciousness, and that just continued to be in this loop in my head. And I was trying to go deeper and deeper, and I was like, I got to just keep listening to this over again because it makes a lot of sense. So,
beautiful. One of the most important point that you mentioned that when I'm none of these six neighbors, then I am pure consciousness. So that shows the purity of the intellect. But if it is not that the mind enters there, then who you are, why you are doing the practice. Oh, I want to have a reflection from Terry.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't. I was. I did achieve some separation
Very good.
from between among the five sheath
Yes,
and achieve some distance and relief from discomfort.
that's a beautiful. I could see you. You were very calm and relaxed. They are neighbors. You need not to worry about them.
I was it was not easy, but I'm grateful for the relief, however long it lasted.
It's
It
not
was very,
easy. It will last long.
very welcome.
When you say it is not easy, the intellect says, I did not understand. And that is why we are continuing the journey.
Yes.
Good. How are you, Rakesh?
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
Whenever we do nyasa,
Thank you.
so in our awareness, eh, can you hear me?
Did we do Nyasa today? Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Hello.
Yes. Go ahead. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, let us go to Ashok in the
Hello.
meantime. Yes, hello,
Hello.
Rakesh, I'm listening to you.
Okay. So
Let us
whenever we,
go
yes,
to,
sir. So whenever we do nyasa, uh, we, so
we did not do Nyasa today.
we reach to that point wherever we are becoming aware. But in today, the journey of the sixth neighbor,
Yeah, we will have it. How are you, Ashok?
Sir, I am good and peaceful.
Good and peaceful. Very good. Are you Anesthesia?
hello,
Thank you.
hello.
Thank you.
It was very deep and dark, and I liked this separation. I had different feelings coming back, and yeah, that's all.
Good. Good. So it demands contemplation. Coaching in the Eastern wisdom and mentoring is totally different than the coaching and the mentoring are in the about any other thing except finding the real self. So just contemplate and reflect, listen to it again and again. We will meet again. Thank you very much. We will listen to you, Rakesh, next time. You have lot of you don't have lot of challenges. Your internet has lot of
Vaibhav
challenges.
is left. No?